Hey guys, Jenny Strebe here, founder of AIIR, and we're gonna go ahead and show you a really fun way of creating a ponytail, but we are gonna create a ponytail that's super elevated, that has lots of volume, utilizing some dry texture spray and a hair elastic. But before we get started, we're gonna utilize some Amethyst Hair and Energy Refresher to really set our intentions and our tone for our style today. All right, so we're gonna get this look started with utilizing some Texture Air, and this is actually infused with crystals, and it's infused with crystal quartz. Now, crystal quartz is the stone of creativity. So you guys, you can spray it and you can really channel in that creativity. We're gonna spray it all over Eliana's hair here. Now, she has pretty thick hair as it is, but the Texture Air is really just gonna give it some bulk and grip to her hair and just allowing it to expand. A problem that someone that has thick hair has is that sometimes the hair can fall flat because it's so heavy. So this is really gonna allow it to kind of lift up. So now after we've utilized the Texture Air, we're just gonna go ahead and pull the hair back into a ponytail. We're going for an undone look, so I'm just using my fingers to kind of add some separation. Don't want it perfect. You definitely want it balanced. Now we're gonna go ahead and get into it. You guys, have you ever had a ponytail that it literally has fallen flat or it starts kind of dragging almost? This is actually a great tip to make your ponytail really perk up. So what we're gonna do, gather all the hair, take our hair elastic, we're gonna just create our ponytail like we normally would, right? And then after we feel like it can only go one more time around the hair, we're gonna split this in half, and we're gonna go ahead and only take half of that hair into this hair elastic. I'm gonna grab a little bit more because this is gonna really push up that hair. You see that? We're gonna spread that hair out. So look how that really pushed up at the root to create a very voluminous ponytail. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and spread it out. I'm gonna go ahead and just pinch and pull some pieces out to kind of create a soft texture. Lastly, we're gonna go ahead and take our Flexible Hold Airspray that is infused with rose quartz and just spray it through. And I'm just gonna be picking up the hair while I'm spraying it to create a lot of volume into that pony. So as you guys can see, not only did the hair elastic trick really elevate that ponytail, the Texture Air as well as the hairspray really elevated as well. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed these tips, and I'll see you guys soon.